Welcome to Briscoe's Better Boating. I'm Dave Briscoe. Let's go. So I spent a lot of time on the water between SeaWorld, Cypress Gardens, Pro Wakeboarder, about 1,000 hours a year on a boat. I'm here to help you hone your skills and make you look like a pro. Okay, we're working today with Gunter. He's one of my students that I've been working with for about a month now. He learned how to two-ski, learned how to cross wakes on two skis, has learned how to step off onto one ski, and today we're gonna learn on how to get up on one ski. So we've worked on slowing the boat down so that Gunter felt like he was half sunk in the water and then take back off again. So he's already gotten the feeling of sinking and holding his body position to get back up again. But today, getting up on one ski is a lot different. There's not as much buoyancy, there's not as much stability under your feet, so it's a little bit different. So Gunter, what we're gonna do is once the ski's on, you're gonna hang on with the arms straight, keep the front knee as close to your body as you possibly can. And when you feel the boat start to pull you, the water is gonna push against the ski. Let the water push the ski all the way into your body. And then you're gonna take the back foot and imagine there's a rubber band going behind your neck and around your feet. And as the boat starts to push on your feet, you're gonna stretch that rubber band, both by pushing your foot out and by pulling your shoulders back, okay? And if you take your time doing that and just stay locked onto the boom, that should get you up on that one ski, okay, right away. Once you're up on the one ski, make sure the back foot's flat and make sure the hips are always slightly in front of the shoulders. Okay, if your shoulders get in front of your hips, the ski's gonna get real wobbly, okay? So let's go all the way out to the end of the boom. Good. So that knot that I just did for him, you can use this on pretty much anything. If you double over the rope and take a loop, go around your thumb, and then come around the back side of your hand and then in the front. I'm gonna close my hand on these first three. I'm gonna take this loop all the way to the back. You can put that on pretty much anything and it'll cinch on itself, and when you're done, it just falls out. Good way to get a knot without making a knot. If you always keep downward pressure on this handle, that'll help keep your weight there, okay? When you're crossing the wakes, I want you to try to keep your knees kind of together and use them at the same time. Point your kneecaps that way, and that's gonna keep your edge going through the wake. I have kids putting their skis on, I always keep the driver's side right next to them. That way the rope isn't pulling them, it's still floating, and after they get their skis on, they're not gonna be wrapped up in it. So the one thing that I always like to teach kids before they ski is to have their skis float, one way and one the other way. This keeps them from tipping over. And you'll see as I tighten the rope, all she has to do is bring her skis together. Okay, bring them together. And then she has no tipping. So I'm here with my star students today, Gunter and Lennon. So Gunter, how old are you now?
I am 9.
9 years old. We're gonna talk into the sexy microphone ski boot here. And what grade are you in?
I am in 4th grade.
4th grade, just started, right? Just started class again. And how about you?
I'm the same with Gunter. I'm 9 years old and in 4th grade.
4th grade, right on. How many lessons have you guys had now? Do you know? How many times have you skied with me?
A lot. I don't know.
Like 4 or 5 times? This is like probably your 5th time, right? And how about you? Same, right? About their 5th time?
We've always came together. My dad is like, if she can't go, then I won't go. So.
What a deal. What's the biggest thing that helped you when you're learning how to ski? Like crossing the wakes and stuff?
Well, I have to keep my skis together when I cross the wake. And I have to do baseball catcher when I start. Right,
that's a big one, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then handle, when you're crossing the wakes, what do you do with the handle?
You put it down.
Push it down.
Yeah.
Right. And how about you? What did you learn today?
I learned how to deep start on a one ski, the biggest thing that helped me today, I think it was the baseball.
The baseball grip, one hand up, one hand down.
Yep.
Yep.
That seemed to help me a lot.
Yeah.
It's where I can move my hands from there to there. It helped me so my hands weren't hurting as much because I like to move them for some reason.
Right. What do you think the trick was getting up on one ski?
Patience.
Patience. It's the big one, right? It's the hard one. What do you want to do? Do you want to be a skier at like Cypress Gardens ski team one day?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Or I could be a wakeboarder.
Or a wakeboarder?
Yeah.
Right
I want
on.
to be the wakeboarder.
You want to
No,
be?
we
Well,
can
what did
both-
I want to be the wakeboarder and you be the skier.
No, we could both be a wakeboarder.
Yeah, there's men's and women's wakeboard tournaments. Right on. Well, I love working with you guys, and I can't wait to see you guys again.
Frisco's Better Boating out.